Hola, everybody, and today I'm here inside my LinkedIn account, and I found out something today that might help you if you have a conference, if you have a workshop, if you have an event coming up. Until now, I've only marketed and put my events on Facebook. Um, because they have a feature, events feature inside Facebook. But today I found out that we can also do it here on LinkedIn. So, hola everybody, I'm Sophia Pacifico Reis and I'm a 9 to 5 exit strategist and program launch coach. And I work with my clients and help them launch their signature membership site programs in line with their highest vision. They become visible online with confidence. They love achieving their desired income without all the tech frustrations because guess what? We do it all for them. I work with aspiring coaching entrepreneurs who feel ready to become their own boss fearlessly. So let's dive in because I want to show you how to get into the events page. All you have to do is go onto your home. This little house here is your home, and you have to go onto the left. Oh, look, there's mirror there. Onto the left side, you will find a thing called events. Here it is. Events I've highlighted. All you have to do is press this plus sign and you're going to create your event. So on the events on LinkedIn, you can put a banner image for your so on your cover image, you can use a 4:1 aspect ratio, which is recommended. You can also add your logo, and obviously you're going to write down the event name. Oops. The event name in here. Oops. BAME. Event name. The location will be like, for example, I'm going to put London, and venue details, the capacity. So in here for the venue details, you have 124 words to put on, the date when it starts, what time it starts, and when it finishes. You're also going to put the time zone that you're on. So this will be GMT. I'll find it later. A description of your event. So all the details, the topics, what's happening during the event. And for this area, you have 5,000 words in there. Ticketing website will be the a link to your website. So I'm going to put here, oops, radical launch system so that we can test it. I have to put something in here, details, and okay, so when you put the description here, you're going to get the create button there. And then you have, just come out this one. Then you have the different two types of events: public events, so that anybody can see the event and choose to attend, or you have a private event. You can choose that one. Only event people that are invited with the link can view this, and also allows the attendees to invite other people as well. So this is great if you have a conference, if you have a workshop, if you have a seminar, or maybe just like an online seminar. This will be great to put it on there. And we're going to press the create button. And I forgot to put the website link. Ticketing website. Yes, there is something. There is a column missing there. And create. And then you're going to come up to here. And here you can edit or cancel the event. And you can obviously share in a post, send as a message, copy the link, share to Twitter, or share to Facebook. So let's try that. Because in here you can actually hit, you can market it to different places, and you can also um, share it on your story as well. And stories is all what's happening today. So it's like cross posting. It's amazing. And leave. And here you also can invite your connections to attend the event. So when you click on the button, you can choose, and you have to carefully choose who you are selecting for your event, because it has to be relevant to them, obviously. And you can let your network know about the event. So that's a sharing as well. You can also just share for your networks, or share on LinkedIn and on Twitter in simultaneously. You can just do connections only, or just groups, for example. You can choose a group. Let's choose this one and save. And then you can post it. Basically, I'm hosting this such and such event. Would you like to attend? So I'm not going to do it right now because it's not finished, basically. And you can start conversations inside the event as well. And this is quite important, because every time that you start a conversation start inside of an event, it kind of pumps it up on the post. So, like, basically, just finalize it. I think this will be great to as an extra way of marketing your events, your conferences, your workshops, your seminars. And on LinkedIn, if your audience is already on LinkedIn, this is really, really a great opportunity. So let's see if let me know in the comments if you're going to actually use this feature on LinkedIn, how you're going to use it. Do you want to discuss it any further? Please let me know in the comments, and I'll speak to you all very, very soon. Bye for now.